Hello everyone, welcome to Merit Article. If you're looking to learn how to make money online, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into proven strategies and techniques that will help you make money online. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and share it with your friends who might find it helpful. Now, let's get started. Number 1, Freelancing. Freelancing offers a world of opportunities for individuals with various skills and talents. While platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are popular choices, there are lesser-known avenues you can explore for freelancing success. Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest freelancing platforms, connecting freelancers with clients seeking a wide range of services, including writing, graphic design, programming, and virtual assistants. With Upwork, you can bid on projects posted by clients or offer your services directly. It's a competitive marketplace, but with a polished profile and tailored proposals, you can stand out and land high-paying gigs. Fiverr. Fiverr is known for its gig-based model, where freelancers offer services starting at $5. However, don't let the low starting price fool you. Fiverr hosts a diverse range of services, from creative writing and logo design to digital marketing and video editing. As a seller on Fiverr, you can showcase your skills through your gig offerings and attract clients looking for specific solutions to their needs. TaskRabbit. If you're skilled in household repairs, furniture assembly, or general handyman tasks, TaskRabbit connects you with local gigs in your area. Voice Bunny. Do you have a captivating voice? Voice Bunny allows you to lend your voice to commercials, audiobooks, and other voiceover projects. Rev. Transcription, captioning, and translation services are in high demand. Rev provides freelancers with the opportunity to earn money by transcribing audio files, captioning videos, and translating documents. TopTal. If you're a top-tier developer, designer, or finance expert, TopTal matches you with high-paying freelance opportunities with leading companies and startups. Guru. Guru is a platform that caters to a wide range of freelancers, including writers, developers, designers, and marketers. You can bid on projects or offer your services directly to clients. Remember, success in freelancing often comes down to building a strong portfolio, delivering high-quality work, and establishing positive relationships with clients. As you gain experience and credibility, you can command higher rates and attract more lucrative opportunities. Keep honing your skills, staying updated with industry trends, and networking within your niche to unlock the full potential of freelancing. Number 2, start a blog or YouTube channel. Sharing your knowledge, passion, or experiences through blogging or creating videos is not only fulfilling but can also be a lucrative venture. Here's how you can monetize your content. Advertising revenue. Once you've built a significant audience, you can monetize your blog or YouTube channel through advertising. Platforms like Google AdSense for blogs and YouTube's partner program for videos allow you to earn money based on ad impressions and clicks. Sponsored content. Brands are always looking to collaborate with influencers to promote their products or services. You can partner with companies relevant to your niche and create sponsored content, such as product reviews, sponsored posts, or sponsored videos, in exchange for payment or free products. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another excellent way to monetize your blog or YouTube channel. By promoting products or services through affiliate links, you can earn a commission for every sale or referral generated through your unique link. Choose affiliate programs that align with your audience's interests and provide value-added recommendations. Digital products. Leverage your expertise by creating and selling digital products such as online courses, eBooks, templates, or premium content. Platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to create and sell digital products to your audience. Membership or subscription model. If you offer premium content or exclusive perks, consider implementing a membership or subscription model. Offer additional benefits to subscribers, such as ad-free content, access to private communities, or exclusive live streams, in exchange for a recurring fee. Starting a successful blog or YouTube channel requires consistency, quality content, and engagement with your audience. Focus on providing value, building relationships, and continuously improving your content to attract and retain viewers. With dedication and perseverance, you can turn your passion into a profitable online venture. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing stands as one of the most accessible ways to make money online, leveraging your ability to promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission for each sale or lead you generate. Here's how you can dive into affiliate marketing successfully. Find your niche. Start by identifying a niche that interests you and aligns with your expertise. Whether it's fitness, technology, fashion, or personal finance, choosing a niche allows you to target a specific audience with tailored recommendations. Research affiliate programs. Explore different affiliate programs within your chosen niche. Look for programs that offer competitive commissions, reliable tracking systems, and quality products or services that resonate with your audience. Major affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, CJ Affiliate, and Rakuten Marketing host a wide range of affiliate programs across various industries. Create compelling content. Develop engaging content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your audience. Whether it's through blog posts, product reviews, tutorials, or social media content, aim to build trust and credibility with your audience by providing valuable insights and genuine recommendations. Integrate affiliate links. Strategically incorporate affiliate links within your content, ensuring they blend seamlessly and add value to the user experience. Avoid being overly promotional and focus on providing helpful information that encourages your audience to take action. Disclose your affiliate relationships transparently to maintain trust with your audience. Promote your content. Drive traffic to your affiliate content through various channels, including search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email newsletters, and paid advertising. Experiment with different promotional strategies to expand your reach and attract potential customers to your affiliate offers. Track and optimize performance. Monitor the performance of your affiliate marketing campaigns using tracking tools and analytics. Track key metrics such as clicks, conversions, and earnings to assess the effectiveness of your promotional efforts. Continuously optimize your strategies based on data insights to maximize your affiliate income. Affiliate marketing presents an opportunity to generate passive income by leveraging your online presence and audience. With dedication, strategic planning, and consistent effort, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business and earn commissions while providing value to your audience. Number 4, online courses and eBooks. Sharing your expertise and knowledge through online courses and eBooks is a lucrative way to make money online. Here's how you can create and monetize digital content effectively. Identify your expertise. Determine your areas of expertise or passions that you can teach others. Whether it's coding, photography, digital marketing, or cooking, leverage your skills and experience to create valuable educational content. Plan your content. Outline the topics and modules you'll cover in your online course or ebook. Break down complex subjects into digestible lessons or chapters, ensuring clarity and progression for your audience. Choose a platform. Select a platform to host and sell your digital content. Popular platforms for online courses include Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare, while Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is ideal for self-publishing ebooks. Consider factors such as pricing, customization options, and audience reach when choosing a platform. Create high-quality content. Produce engaging and informative content that resonates with your target audience. Invest time in creating professional-looking videos, slideshows, or written materials that deliver value and facilitate learning. Market your content. Promote your online course or ebook to reach your target audience. Utilize email marketing, social media promotion, content marketing, and collaborations with influencers or industry experts to increase visibility and attract potential customers. Provide support and updates. Offer ongoing support to your students or readers, answering questions and addressing their concerns. Continuously update your content to keep it relevant and valuable in a rapidly evolving landscape. Monetize your content. Set pricing for your online course or ebook based on its perceived value and market demand. Consider offering discounts, bundle deals, or upsells to incentivize purchases and maximize revenue. Number 5, Dropshipping. Dropshipping presents a unique opportunity to start an online retail business without the need to hold inventory or manage shipping logistics. Here's how you can get started with dropshipping. Choose your niche. Select a niche or product category that aligns with your interests, market demand, and profit potential. Research trending products, niche markets, and competition to identify lucrative opportunities. Find reliable suppliers. Partner with reputable suppliers or wholesalers who offer dropshipping services for the products you want to sell. Look for suppliers with quality products, competitive prices, reliable shipping, and good customer service. Set up your online store. Create an e-commerce website or use a platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce to set up your online store. Customize your store design, add product listings, and optimize your website for conversions. Market your products. Drive traffic to your online store through various marketing channels, including social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, email marketing, influencer partnerships, and paid advertising. Focus on targeting your ideal customers and showcasing the unique value propositions of your products. Process orders and fulfillment. When customers place orders on your online store, forward the order details to your dropshipping supplier, who will then ship the products directly to the customers. Monitor order fulfillment, address any issues promptly, and provide excellent customer service to ensure a positive buying experience. Optimize your operations. Continuously evaluate and optimize your dropshipping business operations to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. Monitor sales performance, analyze customer feedback, and adapt your product offerings and marketing strategies accordingly. Scale your business. As your dropshipping business grows, explore opportunities to scale your operations, expand your product catalog, and reach new markets. Consider automating repetitive tasks, outsourcing non-core activities, and reinvesting profits into marketing and infrastructure to fuel further growth. Dropshipping offers flexibility, low startup costs, and the potential for high profit margins. However, success in dropshipping requires careful planning, diligent research, and ongoing optimization to build a profitable and sustainable online business. Number 6. Monetize your social media presence. Turn your social media accounts into revenue streams by leveraging your online influence. Here's how you can monetize your social media presence. Build a strong personal brand. Establish a compelling personal brand across your social media platforms. Define your niche, voice, and unique selling proposition to attract and engage your target audience effectively. Create valuable content. Produce high-quality content that resonates with your audience and adds value to their lives. Experiment with different content formats, such as videos, photos, stories, and live streams, to keep your audience engaged and entertained. Grow your audience. Focus on growing your social media following organically by consistently posting engaging content, interacting with your audience, and collaborating with other influencers or brands in your niche. Use hashtags, geotags, and social media analytics to optimize your content strategy and reach a broader audience. Partner with brands. Collaborate with brands and businesses as an influencer or brand ambassador to promote their products or services to your audience. Negotiate sponsored content deals, affiliate partnerships, or ambassadorships that align with your personal brand and resonate with your audience. Join influencer networks. Sign up for influencer marketing platforms and networks that connect influencers with brands seeking collaboration opportunities. Platforms like AspireIQ, Tribe, and Influence.co facilitate partnerships between influencers and brands based on their interests, audience demographics, and engagement metrics. Offer paid services or products. Monetize your social media presence by offering paid services, such as consulting, coaching, or online courses, to your followers. Alternatively, sell digital products, merchandise, or exclusive content to your audience through your social media channels or website. Engage with your audience. Cultivate a genuine connection with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and inquiries promptly. Encourage interaction and feedback from your followers to foster a sense of community and loyalty around your brand. Leveraging your social media presence for monetization requires authenticity, consistency, and engagement with your audience. By strategically positioning yourself as an influencer or content creator within your niche, you can unlock various revenue opportunities and build a sustainable income stream from your social media activities. Number 7. Provide virtual services. In today's digital age, offering virtual services is a lucrative way to make money online while providing valuable assistance to clients worldwide. Here's how you can get started. Identify your skills. Assess your skills, expertise, and experiences to determine the virtual services you can offer. Whether it's virtual assistance, consulting, tutoring, coaching, or digital marketing, leverage your strengths to provide services that meet market demand. Define your services. Clearly define the virtual services you'll offer. along with the scope of work, deliverables, and pricing structure. Tailor your services to address specific pain points or needs of your target clients, and differentiate yourself from competitors by highlighting your unique value proposition. Set up your virtual office. Create a professional virtual workspace equipped with the necessary tools and technologies to deliver your services effectively. Invest in reliable internet connectivity, communication tools, project management software, and virtual meeting platforms to streamline your operations and enhance client communication. Market your services. Promote your virtual services through online platforms, social media channels, professional networks, and industry forums. Utilize content marketing, email newsletters, webinars, and networking events to showcase your expertise, attract potential clients, and generate leads for your services. Establish client relationships. Build trust and credibility with your clients by delivering high-quality services, meeting deadlines, and exceeding expectations. Foster open communication, actively listen to client needs, and provide personalized solutions to build long-term relationships and secure repeat business. Offer flexible payment options. Provide flexible payment options for your virtual services to accommodate clients' preferences and facilitate transactions. Consider accepting payments via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfers, or invoicing platforms to ensure convenience and security for both you and your clients. Expand your service offerings. Continuously evaluate market trends and client feedback to identify opportunities for expanding your virtual service offerings. Diversify your services. Explore new niches, and adapt to emerging technologies or industry demands to stay relevant and competitive in the virtual services market. Offering virtual services allows you to leverage your skills and expertise to serve clients globally, all from the comfort of your own home. By delivering exceptional value and building strong client relationships, you can establish a thriving online business and achieve financial success in the virtual services industry. Number 8. Local online marketplace. Create an online marketplace tailored to your local community, connecting local businesses and consumers in your area. Here's how you can establish a unique local online marketplace. Identify local needs. Conduct market research to identify the needs and preferences of your local community. Determine which products or services are in demand and not adequately served by existing online platforms. Build a platform. Develop a user-friendly online marketplace platform that caters specifically to your local community. Include features such as local search filters, geolocation services, and personalized recommendations to enhance the user experience. Onboard local businesses. Reach out to local businesses and encourage them to join your online marketplace as sellers. Offer incentives such as free listings, promotional opportunities, or discounted fees to attract businesses to your platform. Promote local products and services. Showcase local products and services prominently on your platform to highlight the unique offerings available in your community. Implement marketing campaigns, social media promotions, and partnerships with local influencers to raise awareness and drive traffic to your marketplace. Facilitate community engagement. Foster a sense of community among users of your online marketplace by facilitating interactions and connections. Encourage user reviews, ratings, and recommendations to build trust and credibility within the community. Offer value-added services. Provide additional services or features that cater to the needs of local businesses and consumers. This could include delivery services, online booking systems, loyalty programs, or event listings to enhance the overall experience. Support local initiatives. Partner with local organizations, charities, and events to support community initiatives and give back to the local area. Sponsor local events, donate a portion of profits to charity, or participate in community outreach programs to demonstrate your commitment to the community. By creating a local online marketplace tailored to the unique needs of your community, you can provide a valuable service while fostering economic growth and strengthening local connections. Thank you for joining us in exploring diverse avenues to earn online income. Your support means the world to us. If you found this video insightful, ensure to subscribe to Merit Article and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future tips and tricks. Please, remember to leave a like, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and consider sharing this video with friends who might find it useful. This is Merit Article. See you in the next video.